A happy new year to you all. You're welcome to Setro channel. Today, what are we gonna be doing? In some few minutes, we're gonna be achieving these trendy rose ruffles. It's like easy as A and B and C. And guess what? Have you listened to this? My ever first musical single. You please have to help the girl. Subscribe, like, and it's on my other channel. So let's get to the cutting table first. I have my bridal setting. This the dog face is not as thick as the normal one. Then I've just added words to the back. You're interfacing to it. This is just the moderate one. And if you like, if your fabric is so hard, you can decide not to add any interfacing to it. It's still going to work out as you like it. If I want to be achieving for the rose, it's worth 3 inches. So I'm going to take 6 inches width because I'm going to be folding into 2, 6 inches. So I'm going to add 1/4 inch for seam allowance. I'll just get the 6 1/4 inch. The 6 1/4 inch. I'll get it across board, then rule out, then use it to cut out 2 more. I'll cut out 2 more of this just to make the rose, as in to make it long and a long stretch of fabric afterwards. I'll be joining. So I'll just stitch together on the machine this way so that it's just one piece, one long piece. Then with that, I'll now fold it into 2. But before I continue, I'll just have to cut the base. The base that I'll be using, it's all about how big you want it to be on your shoulder, or if you're using it on your chest or on wherever you want to place the rose or the ruffle. So it all depends on, you have to get the starting point, maybe starting from here to here, points 1 to point 2, just like that. And but averagely 4 inches is okay. You could also use 3.5 inches. It all depends on how big you want it to be. So I'll be using a radius of 4 inch. What you just need to do is to cut out a circle. Anyway, you cut out a circle this way, but I'll just be using the normal way of getting your circle. So this piece, I'll just fold like I'm folding into 4, just to get my normal circle. So just like this, and I'll fold like this. So this will be my origin. So remember I said it's 4 inches that I'll be using, and that 4 inches I'm going to add 1/2 inch seam allowance to it. So it's good to get this center point because we'll be making use of it by the time we'll be drawing the lines that we'll be using, the spiral lines that we'll be using. So I've gotten this, that is the center. So I just do work. I just get to know the 1/2 inch is for the stitching, seam allowance. So I just do like I want to achieve my normal circle. So I have my circle and I've gotten the center. I'll repeat this because it's going to be double. I'll stitch together. So I just cut out another word like this. So right now I've gotten 2 of this. So I'll just stitch together on the 1/2 inch, then stitch this also, then we'll continue. So after stitching the circle, I have it like so. Let this little space, I'm going to use it to turn it inside out. But before that, I have to notch so such that it relaxes. So right now I have just this one piece. I've joined together, right side facing each other. So what I'll just do is just to stitch. Remember the width I'm gonna be using is 3 inches width. Now I told you I was stitching on 1/4 inch, so you can see it just like that. So if you want, if you like, you could just curve this part. Please make it curve a bit like so. So I'll just do this. I'll cut, then I'll repeat same for the other part. Then I'll stitch it, and we're good to go. So right now, by the time I'm done with stitching, you can see I have it like this, and I left this space about 5 inches So I'm going to use it to turn it out inside out. So by the time I was through with turning it inside out, this is what I came out with. So I had to press it with the iron. So I from that place I opened, I turned it inside out. Then this is the base. Remember when we started, I told you that the center, I'm going to start doing the spiral for the. So I'm going to start from here. It's so easy as AFB, see. So I'll be starting from here or anywhere I start from. So I'll just start pleating it. I'm going to show you on the machine. So it all depends. I'll pleat, then leave like 2 inches or 1 inch allowance and pleat again. And just like that. And just like that. Can you see? Before you know it, your rose is going to come out so beautifully well. So I'll just do that right now. You can see the end of the spiral. So I'm going to start from here right now. I'll just start like so.
This is my praise, oh Lord. This is my praise, oh Lord. You shined your light of light.
So with this, we've come to the end of this, and by the time we're through, this is just it. I just have to fold this in a little, and I ended up using 2.5 of that stripe die cut, and it's so easy. You just fold in a little as if you're making it a rose in between, and you come out with this. So you could put it here on your shoulder, then you could add a lot of rose on the chest. You know, most of my clothes, or you put it here, or you put it anywhere you feel like putting it. So please, I want you to listen to my ever new single music. It's on my other channel, Setro's Blog. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share so that the video can go viral. Help your girl, please. This new year. Yeah. I love you. Thank you for your support all the way. Thank you to all my followers, my students, and I wish you the best of the best in this new year. Thank you very much. Our Setro Fashion School is still very much on. Contact us on our numbers below. Catch you. You know I always catch you. Love you.
We go to hell, 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 hell.